KPI.com provides a complete solution for managing salaries, bonuses, pensions, and vacation pay. In this video, we'll walk you through the basic setup and functionality of the payroll module. Initial setup. To configure the payroll module, start by setting up the accounts used for payroll transactions. Navigate to Settings, Account, Chart of Accounts. Review the system accounts available, or create your own. When creating new accounts, it is important to assign the correct account type. Next, go to Settings, Payroll Categories. Here, you'll find default categories for different types of payroll transactions, but you can also create custom ones. The most important step is to define debit to account, credit to account. If these fields are not filled, payroll amounts won't be reflected in reports and no transactions will be created. There are 4 types of categories: payment, deduction, tax category, employer contribution. Make sure to choose the correct type, as it determines whether an amount is added or deducted. In each employee's profile, open the payment section. Set the base salary. Choose the category the system will use to generate payroll transactions. Optionally, add recurring additional payments by specifying a fixed amount or a percentage of the base salary. Then go to the Salary History tab and create a record for the base salary. Important: if the salary changes in the future, always create a new record rather than editing the old one. Generating payslips. Once the setup is complete, you can start processing payroll. Select an employee. All salary and payment data from their profile will be filled in automatically. If needed, you can add one-time payments or deductions. Select payment date, payroll period, approver. If another person is the approver, click Submit for approval. The status will change to Submitted. If you are the approver, click Save and Approve. Open the approved payslip and click Make a Payment. Select the bank account to pay from and the destination account. Chart of accounts is used for internal tracking. Actual bank accounts are used when making payments. Processing payroll for multiple employees. If you have many employees, generating payslips one by one can be inefficient. Instead, you can use Payroll Groups. Go to Settings, Payroll Groups. Create groups of employees. Each employee should be in only one group. Create a group Payrun. Select a group or choose All Employees. Data will populate automatically. You can click an employee's name to review and make one-time changes if necessary. Select Transaction Date, Payroll Period, Approver, then Save. If an employee already has a payslip for the current month, they won't be included again in another group run. After approval, individual payslips will be created automatically for each group member. To complete the payment, open the Payrun. Click Pay Employees. Choose Payment Date, Paid from Account, Paid to Account. Save, and the status will be updated to Paid. Additional payments. If you need to issue a one-time additional payment that should not affect the employee's regular salary, you can use additional payments. Just make sure the category is properly configured. These payments will not impact the base salary, regardless of the date they are created. Reporting and visibility. When payroll categories are set up correctly, you can track all employee payments in the trial balance section by reviewing the accounts associated with each category. You may assign specific accounts and categories even on a per-employee basis. Just make sure both the category setup and employee profile settings are accurate. KPI.com offers a clear, flexible, and efficient way to manage your entire payroll process, from setup to reporting. Sign up now for a free trial on KPI.com. Questions or queries can be sent to email or WhatsApp.